times I'll recline way back, puff stacks with relations to read my conversations about the devils we be lacing in the revolution. Being norms how I'm trooping. Mine's been in battle since birth. That's why I'm puffing L's and juicing like a man in arms drooping. Planning my attack on the sounds of water twins be looping. Inspiration from my soldiers at night. Mad brothers holding corners selling run right. I'll be sparking like a sniper on sight. Watching shift through my optic range. Life's a bitch, now she got me acting strange. So I maintains what ill proposes. Rhymes are sending messages like the burning bush to Moses. Child that never chose this life. There's strife within the devil's anger. So I reload my mind in every chamber. Clips of danger, infiltrating strangers with the ill precision of a green beret. The sacrifice your whole division. Follow me like right religion. Envision came to reign majestic. Romance and vigilantes on some neck. My sanity reflects my life in hell. Survive in hell, I reside in hell. Feed corruption to my clientele. Me for making dreams till production schemes. The man's rolling L's. Swinger pro rebels one time. So feel me rain from behind. Black rain. Peace to the in the game. Black rain. Through the struggles and the strain. Black rain. Elements of mine. So feel the rain from behind. Black rain. Peace to the in the game. Black rain. Through the struggles and the strain, black rain. Elements of mine, to feel the rain from behind.
I'm sorta like a killer devil rebel. The getaway cars are the sounds of the bass and the treble. Cause I get into mine, able and ready. So keep the hi-hat steady, and we could be jetty. Cause yo, I'm similar to Richard Petty and Indy 500s. To retire with wins and abundance, but never to amass riches. Cause when you die, the hands of your money switches. Now let's move on to mental oneness. And I say to false facts, let's done this. Cause we all function as one under the sun. We'd be fools to make Armageddon come. You see, my perspective to be highly elective goes far beyond any previous accomplished objective. I'm here to maintain perspective, and no, I'm never neglecting the sounds that my partner still was selecting. Our musical tactics we strive in perfecting. Oh, and the next thing, you get me vexed when you're looking to control small turf. Cause yo, you need to know that I'm down to the earth, and so I amplify my international worth.
See, at times, my mind be running like a brother gunning craze. Army fatigues, every day hunting justice like a cure for AIDS. Swing a spade, rhyme craze. I move strategic lyrics blaze whenever heated on point. Inflaming MCs like joints and manufacturing. Reactions like a pack.
Dressed in black, remember that, just in case we ever face to face and make contact. The title held by me, M.I.B. means what you think you saw, you did not see. So don't blink, be what was dead is now gone. Black suit with the black Ray-Bans on. Walk in shadow, move in silence. Guard against extraterrestrial violence. But yo, we ain't on no government list. We straight don't exist, no names and no fingerprints. Saw something strange, watch your back, cause you never quite know where the MIBs is at. And
it gets hotter than a hoochie coochie. We laid rubber on the Georgia asphalt. We got a little crazy, but we never got caught. Down by the river on a Friday night, pyramid of cans in the pale moonlight. Talking about cars and dreaming about winning. Never had a plan, just living for the minute. Yeah, way down yonder on the Chattahoochee, never knew how much that muddy water meant to me. But I learned how to swim and I learned who I was. A lot about living and a little about love. Well, we fogged up the windows in my old Chevy. I was willing, but she wasn't ready. So I settled for a burger and a grape snow cone. I dropped her off early, but I didn't go home. Down by the river on a Friday night, a pyramid of cans in the pale moonlight. Talking about cars and dreaming about winning. Never had a plan, just living for the minute. Yeah, went down yonder on the Chattahoochee. Never knew how much that muddy water meant to me. But